Welcome back to Suzie Anderson Home. This week we're sharing how to decorate within a monochromatic colour scheme. Monochromatic themed homes are streamlined and harmonious, using light and dark variations of one colour to add a sense of differentiation and visual interest. One of its most attractive features is its ability to be woven into any interior design style, from contemporary and modern to casual country or coastal homes. The most classic monochromatic scheme is the highly coveted black and white colour palette. Here, rooms are built by selecting colours with different amounts of light instead of different hues, resulting in layers of black, varying shades of neutral grey and white. This same principle can be applied to any base colour of your choosing, such as warm beige, cool grey, blue or green, by tinting the base colour with white, shading with black and toning with grey. White and black are acceptable in all schemes as they're the lightest and darkest versions of all colours. If you opt for a neutral colour scheme, utilise the opportunity to focus on the room's smaller architectural details to create visual interest. Tongue and groove timber cladding, panelling, patina textured walls, skirting boards and ornately carved mantelpieces or ceilings add depth and dimension that could otherwise be missed. Patterned or textured flooring is a great way to add intrigue to a monochromatic interior. Select rugs that either harmonise with your base colour or come in a natural, woven fibre that ties in with furniture or exposed architectural details. Herringbone floorboards, geometric pattern tiles, or vinyl flooring are another way to add interest. Lighting plays a crucial role in highlighting the different layers, finishes and textures. It's important to select bulbs that emit a similar quality to your base palette to complement the cool or warm whites in your colour scheme. Lighting serves four purposes in monochromatic interiors: to add texture, lustre, sculptural interest, and as a vehicle to celebrate the smaller details in the space. A simple blue trim on a shade or matte black hardware is another opportunity to add texture, shades or tints to your colour scheme. Window treatments serve a similar purpose to lighting, providing an enjoyable and creative opportunity to add texture and print. Curtains and blinds are on the sheerer side, again to preserve the quality of the colour scheme and create diffused light. Painted black and white curtain rods and window frames add a clean and crisp feel, providing a modern edge to any colour scheme. The monochromatic style creates a space free of distractions, allowing beautiful antiques, upholstered furniture, and the smaller sculptural handcrafted details to shine. Using variations of the same colour also makes the room look larger, as the eye can travel seamlessly throughout the space without zoning in on any one area. Visual balance is achieved by tending to the smallest of details. For example, a rattan bar stool with painted black legs is mirrored in the rattan blinds with black hardware for a seamless and cohesive feel as you transition throughout the space. To take your designs to the next level, it's important to consider how you can build various layers of textures, materials and finishes whilst maintaining the monochromatic colour palette. Our favourite way to add texture is with throw blankets, pattern cushions and organic materials of rattan or unfinished timbers. The beauty of monochromatic design means you don't have to compete with other hues. Instead, the harmonious backdrop allows for greater leniency when selecting a mix-match of patterns such as stripes, florals and geometric prints. As a background for artwork, sculptures and collectibles, the monochromatic colour scheme allows your artwork to stand out. Consider a custom-made wallpaper that can be replicated in an inverse print for throws, cushions, or mounted as a framed print, which creates interest without adding another colour. Accessories serve as another vehicle for carrying the monochromatic colour scheme throughout your home. Glossy ceramics, glass vases, display boxes and candle holders add a hint of lustre. Add living energy through lush green foliage, flowers and succulents, as these suit any colour palette and style. Interweave select items of different shapes, sizes and qualities, whilst purposefully linking within your colour scheme and design style. Nickel photo frames, alongside stacked coffee table books and blue and white ginger jars, link with a blue monochromatic look and Hampton-style interior. Thank you so much for watching. We hope you feel inspired to incorporate some of these monochromatic decorating tips in your own home. Remember, when designing a home you love, the beauty is in the detail.